is fantastic, but it's all completely pointless if you don't know what you're aiming for. And that brings us to the next critical piece, defining your target. In other words, how do you know if your test actually worked?
Because, honestly, without a clear goal, without defining what success looks like from the very beginning, testing just turns into total chaos. It starts to feel, well, a little bit like this.
Yeah, that kind of says it all, doesn't it? You can't just shoot first and call whatever you hit the target. That is exactly the kind of mess we're trying to avoid. We absolutely have to define our target before we even think about running the test.
And that target is our expected result. It's the specific, documented outcome you think you're going to get. For our login, it's pretty simple. Login should be successful. Writing this down beforehand is so important. Imagine you're testing a complex financial calculation. A tiny error might be impossible to spot unless you've already defined the exact result you expect, right down to the last decimal point.